the area is just at 10 thousandths or rejectable. The WTPS gauge kit includes a precision calibration block for periodic calibration. The final gauge demonstrated in this program will be the skewed T fillet weld gauge with calculator. Normally, we think of members being welded together at a 90-degree angle to each other. A special condition exists when members come together and are welded at angles other than 90 degrees, and fillet welds are used to make the connection. These conditions are called skewed T-joints. The angles involved usually are at a 60-degree angle minimum on the acute side and 120-degree angle on the obtuse side. The 60-degree minimum angle requirement is specified on the acute side of the joint to allow for access of the electrode by the welder. Here we are measuring the W dimension of a fillet weld in a skewed T-joint from the acute side of the member. The W dimension that is used for the inspection of the skewed T fillet weld sizes can easily be found by using the calculator. Leg size can also be obtained by using this method in conjunction with the gauge. This concludes the presentation of the various weld inspection gauges used by the personnel responsible for the dimensional requirements in conformance with the National Welding Standards.